Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get the Rainbow BARF face on Roblox. So the Rainbow BARF face is one of the most rare faces in Roblox, which is currently an exclusive item, which means you cannot buy it. It was originally created by the Crazy 195 in 2014, but now it is not available for purchase. And it is also a limited item, but there are still ways you can get it. So according to the Roblox fandom wiki, Rainbow BARF face can still be obtained by the Celebrity Collection Series 2 mystery boxes, which are Roblox toys. And if you didn't know, Roblox toys are purchasable real life items that you can buy with a chance to get a virtual item from them. It is obtained by redeeming the code packaged with a Robloxian live clothing store billboard guy. So in order to get that, you need to go to any reseller that is still selling Roblox Celebrity Collection Series 2. In here, if you buy a toy, at the bottom of that box you will find a code which you can redeem in Roblox virtually. To redeem, you need to go to the roblox.com/toys section. After coming to the redeem page, you will just enter the code that you found in the box here, then click on the redeem button. After redeeming it, you will be successful in unlocking the Rainbow BARF face item. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.